Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. This is what to expect on Umkhokha this coming week. On Monday, Siphamandla refuses to take a second wife, but the council insists. Zisebenzela makes a bet with Khululiwe that Siphamandla will do it within a week. Difa does a ceremony for the ancestors. On Tuesday, Umkhokha strikes again in the Gumede home. Someone in the Mthembu house still believes Umkhokha is coming for them. On Wednesdays, Pamandla's baby cries uncontrollably, giving signs that Umkhokha has struck again. Mamzobe has to lash the body this time. On Thursday, the Gumedes and Mthembus mourn the loss of one of their own. Nomkhosi takes matters into her own hands and kicks Sbahle out. On Friday, emotions surge like tides as the finality of the funeral looms. Sbahle exposes Nomkhosi and Manzi Monday comes at her like a tornado. Thank you.